What's up, guys? Okay, I thought I'd show y'all like this quick little box that I'm about to decorate. I do believe I got this little box from Dollar Tree. I got this ribbon, or whatever you want to call it, from Dollar Tree, and I got these dot glue runner things. I think I got that at a thrift store. So all of these items that you're seeing are very inexpensive, but I'm gonna try to make this little box glamorous. So let's get started. Okay, guys, first thing I'm going to do is measure the fake crystal ribbon thing from Dollar Tree against my box. I have it, this is the width that it comes in. So it's like one width and maybe a row of 3. So I'm just going to go through the whole box, cut it accordingly, and then cut out the additional to cover the bottom half. And it's that simple, guys. So let me get to cutting. Okay, now since I got my fake diamond things cut properly, see it's 2 pieces. Now it's time to apply my glue. And you just, I don't know if you ever use this, you just hold down and roll it across. And unfortunately, guys, I don't have no tripod, so I'm going to try to show you guys. You just hold it, and then you gotta, let me say, hold it. And you just roll it like that. You see how the little dots come on it? And then you apply the your ribbon on it. I've already did one side. So boom. Look how cute that is, guys. And it's so perfect, no mess. And it just, it sticks real well. So let me do this other side, and I'll show you the finished product. Yeah, you can see them dots. I don't think y'all see them. Right there. You see the little dots? Oh, there you go. That's the glue. And you just roll it on there. Be right back, guys. And here you go, the finished product. Y'all, this literally took me less than 5 minutes. Look how cute it is. And look, it's the inside. I'm not going to worry about the inside or the bottom because I'm going to place my item on top of it because I'm using it as a little stand. But you guys, y'all can use it, if y'all want to do something similar, use it for whatever. But I just want to show you guys how quick and simple. And also, these little glue dot things, I don't know if they got it at Dollar Tree, but I would check Dollar Tree first. But Walmart, Hobby Lobby, places like that, and Michael's, of course. So, and it's real simple, and this glue is strong, guys. Now, I'm not saying strong, I'm talking about strong for cute things, not to hold stuff together like glass or something, just for crafts, little simple crafts. And also, this ribbon, fake crystal-like things, whatever, can be found at Dollar Tree, as I mentioned. And it's usually, I think, located in the floral department, the floral area, what have you. But just check all areas where they place their ribbon at, and you should be able to find it,